Nagko-conscious tuloy siya. Hi guys, so fast forward, it is currently 4:35 a.m. I just finished taking a bath because gantay sa labas. Right now I'm arranging my things. So yeah, just a quick ta-da! Here's my camera again. So happy to use it again.
Ready? Let's go. Ready? Let's go.
Alright, so after 4 days in Hong Kong, I'm finally home with my family. So this afternoon or the next day, you can see I'm just spending time with my sister and my mom, which is hindi lang kita sa video. And yeah, nag-ikot na kami sa place na where I grew up. So we did a lot of activities, walking, biking, playing badminton, playing with the dolls. Just look at Bo's face, oh. And the day after this, we went to Okada, Manila, and I'm just gonna put the montage that I posted on my social media next to this clip. Alright, now last part of the video, you're seeing flowers kasi bumili kami ng flowers to visit the grave of my grandfather and sa aking tita. Now we're at the Starbucks just having one last drink with my mom. Charot. Uminom pa kami later that night with my relatives. So, goodbye guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and yeah, posting this for memories and see you guys again later.